Let's hear it for our special guest, Mr. Black Raider. Here we go, here we go. Alrighty, so this year as a school, we are really trying to focus on attendance. And, part of that is trying to get you here and, making phone calls home if you're not here, yada, yada, yada. But part of what we want to do as well is recognize students who have really good attendance, that are coming to school every single day, doing what they should do. So Mr. Preble ran a report first thing this morning, and there are 205 students, so more than 50% of you, who have perfect attendance at this point, right? 205. And as much as I'd like to call down all 205 of you, there's probably half of you who are like, do not call me down right now, right? So, and I also can't afford to give 205 students special things, but here's what I can do. What we are trying to do as a school is work with area businesses to give you something, just as a little thank you, to say, hey, they're doing a great job. So, Five Guys, right? Everybody knows Five Guys, burgers and fries, Five Guys. They've given me a little something to share. So what I have are 10 vouchers for a free regular fry, which if you've had Five Guys fries, that's enough to feed almost the entire senior class, or a milkshake with the purchase. So you can go get a burger for, whatever that costs, and get a free fry or a milkshake. So what Mr. Preble and I did was we counted out, gave all 205 students a number, from 1 to 205. Then we did a random number generator to randomly select 10 of you out of the 205 to get a free fry or milkshake. So when I call your name, right, this is where I embarrass 10 of you, however, you get free food. First up, Gabe Bovey. Now this is where I'm really going to embarrass you and just make you stand here by yourself for as long as I feel like. Jameson Delisle. What I didn't do is double check and make sure all 10 of these are still here today, but Beleen Farnham. Zach Kinrad. Mr. Maddox Lambert. Quincy Nesbitt. Harley Raymond. Mr. Hunter Steves. Bryce Whitman. And Jasmine Whitman. All right, another huge round of applause. Here we go. All right, you guys can go back. Alrighty. Now let's give out some Student of the Month. Let's hear it for the freshman teachers. Come on down. Freshman teachers. Mr. Davidson, somebody over here loves you. Yeah.
This month's outstanding freshman is an excellent student. She helps keep energy up during class discussions, is focused academically, turns in high quality work that shows attention to detail, and always attentive in class. Despite her academic excellence, she is someone you may not notice right away. She is quiet and does her best to blend into the background. Once you take the time to get to know her personally, you will find someone who is funny, genuine, and kind. For all these reasons, we are happy to announce October's Freshman Student of the Month is Emma Dameron.
All right, let's give it up for Emma. Now let's hear it for the other side, for the sophomore teachers.
All right. First off, seniors, where were you on the attendance?
All right.
I hope they show up to Carnival more than they do. All right. This student has earned recognition for her kindness, positivity, and determination both in and out of the classroom. She is always willing to try new things and advocates for herself and others in a polite and respectful way. In class, she consistently participates in discussions, asking great questions and helping to push her learning community forward. She does what she can and often a lot more, while always maintaining a positive attitude. Her teachers have never seen her in a bad mood or heard her complain, and they admire how friendly and polite she is with everyone around her. Beyond the classroom, she brings the same energy and drive to the soccer field, where she has already scored an impressive 10 goals this season. Her kind and joyful spirit, along with her determination to succeed, makes her a true role model for her peers. For these reasons, we are proud to recognize Kayla Giroux as Student of the Month.
Hear it up for Kayla. All right. We didn't want these teachers to have to walk too far across the gym, so let's hear it up for the juniors!
I brought my glasses today so I could read this. I usually conveniently forget them, but I wanted to do this one. Our Junior Student of the Month for October is someone who truly shows what it means to be a student athlete. This student gives 100% in everything he does, both in the classroom and on the field. He leads by example with a calm, respectful attitude, and while he may not always be the loudest person in the room, his actions and work ethic speak louder than words. Teachers describe him as focused and responsible, and his coaches and teammates agree. He's someone who makes good choices, even when it's not easy, and that kind of integrity makes a real impact. His leadership, reliability, and positive example make him a great choice for the Student of the Month. Congratulations, Carter Caldwell.
Carter just said to me he couldn't have done it without his Cal Ripken baseball coach. I don't know. Thank you, Carter. Good work. All right, hear it up for Carter. And there is a rumor that no seniors have perfect attendance, and that is not true. There are seniors on this list, so keep up the good work. All righty. I hear the roar of the thunder. That must be, we need the senior teachers up here now.
Hi everybody, I'm doing great, hope you are too. I just hope everyone's having fun. All right, October Senior Student of the Month. This student is determined to excel in school and beyond. She has a passion for getting things right, including the little things that some would disregard or leave behind. Often though, what sets one apart in a competitive world are, in fact, those finer points. Never one to shy away from difficult work, she has challenged herself this year to take AP US Government and Politics, Spanish 4, and technical classes at MMTC. She puts in the work and is known by her peers and faculty as a bright student. She's taken the initiative of even starting to look for scholarships for next year. She's kind, outgoing, and competitive, and she even advocates for other students to succeed at Winslow High School. She was a terrific leader and helper at the beginning of the year's freshman orientation. She's an all-around awesome kid, and her name is Ranina Lee.
If there's anybody that can translate that and tell me who she was talking to, I'd love that. But great job, Renee. Mrs. Morin wants to give a quick reminder.
Hey, some of you know me. I'm Mrs. Morin. In the guidance office, we do have Mrs. Marin, but I'm the college and career specialist. And I'll admit, I do have favorites. It is the seniors. That's because they're just just about ready to leave our nest, and it makes me very sad, and I want to help them on their way. But right now I'm helping all of you get a sneak peek at what you could do in your future. We have 300 of you signed up for your Futures Day trips. You have until October 10th to make any switches you want, but for the other 100, we want you to pick it yourself. And I know you hear Hudson has really good food. I don't know, that's an urban legend. But there are some other trips too that could use some people on it. Like, people have no idea in Augusta, UMA has sunk so much money into it, and that tour is going to include, you're going to see the flight simulator, like learn how to fly planes and drones. You didn't know they had that there. And they have this killer AI health scenario set up we're going to see. Chambro, you go on that tour, you're actually also going to tour that bridge project. I mean, wouldn't you like to know what the heck they're doing behind the scenes there? So please, everyone sign up. Make sure you pick your own. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Morin. And just so you know, I want to give her a huge round of applause, because to organize all of these trips and events for you is a lot of work. So great job. And I'm going to leave you with this. And I say it every day. Treat everybody with kindness and respect, including yourselves. Not a day goes by that there's a situation that Mr. Preble and I have to deal with, and if people would just listen to those little words of advice, it would make not only our school, but our world a kinder, gentler place, right? Anytime you look in the news, it's always people who forget that little bit, people who can't treat each other with kindness and respect. So no matter what differences we have, whether that's cultural, racial, political, religious, whatever that is, as long as we go about our days treating each other the way that we want to be treated, guess what? This world will be a lot better. And I'm gonna ask Raider Nation to help me make this world a lot better by just treating each other with kindness and respect. And with that being said, head back to homeroom. Great job. I need the students of the month over here to get their picture. Please and thank you. Have a great day.